Hi everyone, millions of Americans depend on Social Security every single month, and if many this primary source of income. So knowing when your payment arrives is not just helpful, and your specific payment day depend your few key factors like your birthday, the type of benefit you receive, and even your first started collecting benefits. They why two people in the same household and receive payment completely different day. In this video, I guide you your five payment dates April 2026, who qualify of each one and how to know when your money is coming and make sure you stay till the end. The first payment is April 2026 is reserved to supplemental security income, also known as SSI. If you receive SSI, your payment will be arrive on April 1st. The program is designed for seniors and blind individual and people with disability who have limited income and resources. Now here is something important. SSI is different for the regular social security benefit. It is based on financially need. Don't you work history for 2026 is there also cost of living adjustment, which means higher payment compared to the last year. Some individual may receive $994, which couples could be received $1,491. This early payment help ensure this who really SSI can be cover expensive right at the start of the month. But here the vast change, the next payment does not follow the budget at all. The second payment is April is scheduled for April 3rd, but it's only specific group of the people if you started receiving social security benefits before May 1997. This is your payment date, and also if you receive both social security and SSI, if you get your social security payment April 3rd. This group follow the completely different system compared to every one easily. This payment is also not based on birth date, which means often confusion and with comparing sexual with others. So if you getting paid early, the most people if you like why. And here the key takeaway: if your payment does not match someone easily, it does not mean this problem. You just different sexual. Starting the third round of the payment, the schedule follow the clear pattern based off the birth date. If your birthday fall between the 1st and 10th of any month, your payment will be set on April 8th. This schedule retired disability beneficiary and survival. And if you're receiving survival benefits, the payment is based your birthday and descent and workers, not your. This date fall out second Wednesday April, marking the beginner of the standard payment cycle of the most recent. Fall between the 11th and 20th of your payment is scheduled for April 15th. This is the third Wednesday of the month and represent the second phase of the birth date based system. Just like privacy group, this included retirement, SSDI resets, and survival beneficiary. For many people, the mid of month payment timing help balance expenses between the beginning of the end of the month. But here's something important. Your payment might not show up instantly depending your payment method could be take some time to arrive and bring us final group the last payment of the month. The final social security payment of April 2026 scheduled for April 22. If your birthday fall between the 21 and 31, if your payment date thus mark end of the monthly payment cycle, completely the distribute of all beneficiary for those of this group waiting till of the end of the month. But a simple part how to the system is structured, and just like other dates, this payment is including retirement, disability receipts, and survival benefits. So if your payment come on later, other don't worry if you complete normal. But before you assume your payment is late, this one more thing you need to know. Payment date is when the money is set out, not always when it's arrived. It's used to direct deposit your fund usually appear the same day within 24 hours. But if you receive paper checks, take 3 business days every login depending your delay. When many people start for panic, this payment is missing. So always give little time before taking action. If your payment has still different after a few days, this contact your social security administration for the help. Thanks for watching this video.